Pundi's puzzle is one of our favorite pattern-solving games. The goal of the game is to fill these rows and columns with icons that are all different, meaning there cannot be the same shape or color in the same row, column, or the two major diagonals. To move an icon onto the board, click, hold, and drag it over the cell you want to put it in and let go. Do this to all the pieces until you fill the board and the Submit button appears near the bottom. If you want to move an icon out of a space, click and move it off to the side dock again or into a different spot on the board. Once all of the icons are placed into the grid and you're happy you have solved the puzzle, click the Submit button near the bottom. The computer will check all of your rows, columns, and diagonals to let you know if you got them all correct or if you missed one and will need to try again. As you level up in games and rounds, the patterns will get harder and the grid will have more spaces to fill. Plus, some icons will be locked in place on the grid. When you run into these challenges, be extra mindful of where you choose to place each icon. At the end of each game, you will earn 1 sticker for each correct row, column, or major diagonal. The computer will check each one from top to bottom. Once it runs across an incorrect icon, it stops, and you only get credit for the correct rows, columns, or diagonals checked to that point. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Pundi's puzzle. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!